This is an introduction to the TETON Sports Celsius sleeping bag line. When you're looking for a sleeping bag for longer camping adventures, weekend campouts, or summer night stargazing, you need to know your sleeping bag will give you a good night's sleep. It needs to be warm, comfortable, and provide some room to move. The TETON Sports Celsius sleeping bag line has all the comforts of a traditional sleeping bag, but with the added benefit of full coverage like a mummy bag. Our Celsius line is our most popular sleeping bag. They're well built, super comfortable, and a great price. We created a variety of sizes, colors, and temperature ratings to suit your style preference. Each sleeping bag is filled with our super lofty lead insulation to keep you warm and comfortable, and each is rated to below freezing temperatures. The mummy style hood can cinch in around your head for additional warmth and keeps your head off the ground. Made with full width baffles and full length zipper and shoulder draft tubes that keep the warm air from escaping, each Celsius sleeping bag also has a double layer offset stitching that eliminates cold spots. Every bag has a durable taffeta shell except the XL-25, which features a ripstop shell that will stand up to years of rigorous use. The brushed polyflannel lining feels like soft bed sheets, and taped anti-snag zippers are easy to close from inside or outside of the bag.
Get back to nature with the Sleepingo Double Sleeping Bag. When adventure calls, you'll be ready to take on any landscape, any climate. The durable outer liner is waterproof to keep you safe and snug. It's made from camping-grade polyester to last a lifetime, while the inner lining is silky soft for a good night's sleep. The Sleepingo Double Sleeping Bag will keep you warm and comfy on any adventure.
Hi, I'm Taylor with the Coleman Company, and here at Coleman, we make a variety of sleeping bags that will keep you comfortable in any season. You can stay warm in weather that's below zero, and you can stay comfortable in weather up to 70 degrees. They come in a variety of styles, from the rectangle, the hybrid, and the mummy. Our innovations make camping a whole lot easier, like the Zip Plow No Snag Zipper. And with some of our sleeping bags, you can zip 2 light bags together for extra room. Our roll control system keeps your bag straight and even when rolling it up. We have a variety of sleeping bags for a great night's sleep in any season. We'll see you outside.
This is an introduction to the LEEF Ultralight Sleeping Bag, which will give you a great night's sleep on the trail with the best mix of comfort, warmth, and reliability. The LEEF features body mapping technology to keep you warm and comfortable for a great night's sleep, so you're ready to take on any adventure. The LEEF is 87 inches long, 34 inches at the widest point, and 22 inches at the bottom of the bag, with 2 temperature options, plus 20 degrees Fahrenheit, weighing 3.5 pounds, and a 0 degree Fahrenheit option, which weighs 4.2 pounds. Starting at the top of the bag, there's a 3-piece hood which contours to your face and can cinch down tightly for added warmth. The bag is filled with multiple layers of micro polar light insulation that shapes to your body lines, keeping you warmer. There's a full-length zipper draft tube that keeps the warm air from escaping, and a built-out foot box has extra fill in specific areas so you sleep comfortably. The well-constructed LEEF is made from 40D ripstop and is water-resistant and won't tear even if punctured. The brushed polyester lining is soft and won't stick to your skin like other nylon-lined bags. There are taped anti-snag zippers that are easy to close from inside or outside of the bag, and also included is a secure interior zip pocket for your wallet or keys. Whether you're a new backpacker or an experienced backpacker, the LEEF Ultralight Sleeping Bag is perfect for you, especially in colder seasons because it's so lightweight and compresses down into a stuffed sack to fit in all TETON Sports internal frame and ultralight packs. It's exceptional quality at an affordable price.